If you go this way,
Yeah, look at that.
from here, there is a very nice view of. Hello everyone, what's up? Today is Wednesday, 25th September 2024, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a Lake Louise tour. And let's start the tour in Lake Louise. Today is my first day at Lake Louise at the fall time. Look at the glacier. It's almost end of the September, but there are so many tourists still and parking is full.
It's so boring when you're at like a place, but then your parents just want It's so weird. It's so nice. Thank you so much. Oh yeah. Great. Do you need a picture? Yeah, I got you.
This is the reality of Lake Louise. Oh, look at the side. It's darn yellow. If you go this way, you can find the boathouse. It looks so nice. If I can zoom, look, all the yellow all over the mountains.
Yeah, I think that bird anyway, so I guess it's
Sorry. I did not see any lineup today. Most of the time, whenever you visit Lake Louise, you always see the lineup for the canoe. And here is the rate of the canoe. I just come back from the boathouse in the middle of the Lake Louise, and
I don't know.
going on that side, the Fairmount side. But today is not like it's weekdays. That's why maybe it's not like the crazy busy day. And the important thing for the tourist, like huge amount of the tourists, Park Canada increased the Lake Louise day parking. Now is $36 for the entire day. Yeah, it's too much, I know. It was $12 before, and before it was totally free if you have the Park Canada pass, National Park pass. You can park free, but then they make it 12. Now it's 36. It's absurd. This looks so nice. And most of the leaf turn yellow.
Vai ficar 3 dias, vai ficar.
You can bring your own canoe in the Lake Louise.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at the fall color on this mountain.
And if you pick her up like baby carry, she just like melts.
I didn't quite expect that.
Let's enter. The Fairmount restaurant. From here, there is a very nice view of the Lake Louise. They are all enjoying the view. Still this side they are doing the construction.